What you're gonna do, you stand back here and videotape. So you have to stand back here. It's already taping. You got me in the shot?
Are you about to jump in the snow?
Yeah. I'm gonna go find my beer. Now it's your turn.
My turn?
Awesome!
Hold on.
Can you get out?
I could have did so much better than that. We're gonna do another take.
Wait a minute, time too.
Okay, well, I'm videotaping.
You are so...
Performing a record. Highest jump in the snow.
This will be a double angel snow landy.
Double angel snow landy.
Christy Cooper.
Christy Cooper is warming up.
Do, 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 do. Alright, we're good now.
Okay.
By the way, that was awesome.
Yeah. I have to go put my snow gear on.
You know where my snow pants?